big yellow shoes. He danced every morning to jungly blues. He twirled through the trees with a giggle and roar, then somersaulted on the forest floor. He wore a top hat made of shiny green leaves, with jelly bee buttons on cinnamon sleeves. He roared out a tune as the toucan sang back, and juggled 3 pineapples high on a yak. He built a grand oven from twigs and old logs, with help from some bunnies and blueberry frogs. He baked lemon pies with a sprinkle of cheer, and shared them with hippos who gave a loud cheer. Snuggle in marshmallow fluff, wearing a cape made of cotton candy puff. He'd dream of tomorrow with stars in his eye, and whisper, "Let's fly to lemon pie sky."